Trong bài viết này, chúng ta cùng đi giải chi tiết đề dự đoán IELTS chủ đề cách hiệu quả để giảm tội phạm, dự đoán cho quý 3 năm 2023. Đề bài cụ thể như sau, một số người nghĩ rằng tống tội phạm vào tù là một cách hiệu quả để đối phó với họ. Những người khác nghĩ rằng giáo dục và đào tạo là biện pháp tốt hơn. Bạn đồng ý hay không đồng ý với các ý kiến trên? Hãy cùng đi vào các bước giải đề chi tiết như sau. Phân tích đề, tìm ý, lập dàn ý chi tiết, bài viết tham khảo. Phân tích bài viết. Trong phần phân tích đề, hãy xác định 3 yếu tố sau: chủ đề của bài, câu hỏi cụ thể và đối tượng của bài viết. Chúng ta cùng tham khảo các cách diễn đạt đồng nghĩa với các cụm từ khóa trong bài. Hãy tham khảo kỹ phần này trước khi đến với phần dàn ý chi tiết ở sau nhé. Bài viết trình bày quan điểm sau, việc giáo dục tội phạm hiệu quả hơn so với bỏ tù. Để chứng minh luận điểm này, chúng ta đưa ra 2 luận điểm chính. 1. Giáo dục giải quyết được nguyên nhân gốc rễ của tội phạm. 2. Giáo dục giúp tội phạm hòa nhập xã hội. Các ý cụ thể để mở rộng và bổ sung cho các luận điểm chính như sau.
Introduction. General statement, dealing with criminals requires effective approaches. Thesis statement, education and training are more effective than prison for addressing criminals. Body paragraph 1. Topic sentence, education and training address root causes of criminal behavior. Reason, criminals often lack quality education due to disadvantaged backgrounds. Result, prison education programs provide valuable skills and knowledge. Comparison, education offers long-term benefits by reducing reoffending. Example, UK study showed 43% lower reconviction rate among educated inmates. Counterargument, education seen as leniency. Rebuttal, punishment alone won't rehabilitate or reintegrate. Body paragraph 2. Topic sentence, education and training empower criminals for societal integration. Reason, education equips criminals with employable skills. Benefit, reduced likelihood of re-engaging in criminal activities. Explanation, education fosters personal growth and positive values. Example, research in Norway demonstrated reduced re-offending rates with education and vocational training. Counterargument, investing in education for criminals is wasteful. Rebuttal, positive impact on some justifies investment, re-imprisonment costs more. Conclusion. Restate opinion, education and training surpass imprisonment for criminal rehabilitation. Summarize main points, address root causes, reduce recidivism, promote reintegration.
Các bạn nghiên cứu thật kỹ dàn ý chi tiết này, sau đó hãy dành 30 phút để viết hoàn chỉnh bài theo dàn ý này nhé. Sau đó, hãy so sánh bài viết với bài luận mẫu dưới đây.
Dealing with criminals requires effective strategies, and in my opinion, education and training are more effective than imprisonment in addressing criminal behavior. These approaches tackle the underlying causes of crime and empower individuals to reintegrate into society. Education and training are essential in addressing the root causes of criminal behavior. Many individuals turn to crime due to their disadvantaged backgrounds, which often result from a lack of quality education. However, prison education programs provide valuable opportunities to acquire essential skills and knowledge. Furthermore, education offers long-term benefits by significantly reducing the likelihood of reoffending. For instance, a study conducted in the UK found that inmates who received education while incarcerated had a remarkable 43% lower reconviction rate. Despite concerns that providing education may be seen as lenient, it is important to acknowledge that punishment alone cannot effectively rehabilitate or reintegrate individuals into society. Therefore, education and training are vital components in addressing criminal behavior. Moreover, education and training empower criminals to integrate successfully into society. By equipping inmates with employable skills, education provides them with the necessary tools to secure employment and live lawfully. This, in turn, decreases the chances of individuals engaging in criminal activities again. Additionally, education promotes personal growth and instills positive values, facilitating the transformation of offenders into law-abiding citizens. For example, research conducted in Norway has shown significant reductions in reoffending rates among individuals who participated in education and vocational training programs while incarcerated. While some argue that investing in education for criminals is wasteful, the positive impact it has on individuals justifies the investment, particularly when considering the higher costs associated with re-imprisonment. In conclusion, education and training surpass imprisonment in effectively rehabilitating criminals. By addressing the root causes, reducing recidivism, and empowering societal integration, education brings long-term benefits, creating a safer and more inclusive society.
Các bạn hãy xem lại một lượt toàn bộ bài viết và chú ý các câu chủ đề và luận điển được in đậm. Sau đây là một số bài tập luyện từ vựng và lập luận để các bạn thực hành.
Exercise 1. For each word in parentheses, form a new word using the given prefix or suffix. 1. Education provides valuable opportunity for inmates to acquire essential skills. 2. Imprisonment alone cannot effectively rehabilitate or reintegrate individuals. 3. Inmates who receive education have a significantly reduced likelihood of reoffending. 4. Education equips criminals with employ skills for successful integration. 5. Research has shown significant reductions in reoffending rates among participants. 6. Investing in education for criminals is often seen as waste by some people. 7. Education brings long-term benefit by creating a safer society. 8. Lack of quality education often contributes to the underlying causes of crime. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the advanced phrases provided. 1. Dealing with criminals requires effective underscore. 2. Education and training are essential in addressing the underscore causes of criminal behavior. 3. Prison education programs provide underscore opportunities to acquire essential skills and knowledge. 4. Education offers long-term underscore by significantly reducing the likelihood of reoffending. 5. By equipping inmates with underscore skills, education provides them with the necessary tools. 6. Education promotes personal growth and instills positive underscore. 7. Education and training underscore individuals to integrate successfully into society. 8. Education surpasses imprisonment in effectively underscore criminals. Exercise 3. Choose the correct option that best completes each sentence. 1. Education and training are more effective than imprisonment in underscore. A. Punishing criminals. B. Addressing criminal behavior. C. Increasing reoffending rates. 2. Providing education in prisons is often seen as underscore. A. Wasteful. B. Lenient. C. Ineffective. 3. Prison education programs provide valuable opportunities to underscore. A. Reduce recidivism. B. Acquire essential skills. C. Increase reconviction rates. 4. Education equips inmates with underscore skills for successful integration into society. A. Unemployable. B. Irrelevant. C. Employable. 5. Research conducted in Norway has shown significant underscore in reoffending rates. A. Increases. B. Reductions. C. Fluctuations. 6. Some argue that investing in education for criminals is underscore. A. Beneficial. B. Justifiable. C. Wasteful. 7. Education brings long-term benefits by creating a underscore society. A. Safer and more inclusive. B. Dangerous and exclusive. C. Lenient and unfair. 8. Education underscore imprisonment in rehabilitating criminals. A. Surpasses. B. Complements. C. Undermines. Exercise 4. Match the words with their correct definitions. 1. Reoffending. 2. Recidivism. 3. Lenient. 4. Integration. 5. Employable. Definitions. A. The act of integrating or becoming part of society again. B. The act of committing a crime again after being punished for a previous crime. C. Providing necessary knowledge and skills for a particular job. D. Reducing the likelihood of something happening again. E. Not strict or harsh in punishing or dealing with someone.
Hy vọng với phần giải chi tiết và các bài tập từ vựng và lập luận, các bạn sẽ làm tốt đề viết này. Các bạn hãy cho mình một lượt thích và đăng ký kênh để cập nhật những đề dự đoán IELTS 2023 mới nhất cho đợt thi IELTS sắp tới nhé. Xin cảm ơn.